want to say a big thank you to Andrea, Jesse and Shlomo for hosting such an amazing 10 days here in Israel. We've learned a lot about Judaism and Israel, and I think we've formed a deeper connection between the two of us as well.
We've been hoping for something like this, and like could never have imagined that this was possible, to come to this place and feel these things and learn so much. And it's really because of the three of you that we're able to do this and be here with these people. So I can't thank you enough.
Andrea, when we met you on that couch at HMI headquarters, you didn't seem that into us, but since we've suddenly made the cut, we're very into you. So thank you very much for this experience and everything that you've done.
Rabbi Jesse, it's been a lot to us to be able to like talk about things and like figure out a little bit more about our relationship to each other and Judaism, and you've made that really possible for us.
Shlomo, like any good Israeli, you helped fight with me in a magical way.
I apologize.
And I really appreciate that, and it's been an incredible experience.
Jesse, Andrea, and Shlomo, thank you so very much for an incredible time here in Israel. Hopefully we can stay in touch, and looking forward to future ventures with you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jesse and Andrea and Shlomo. Thanks a lot. It was amazing.
Hey, this is Aaron and all. We would like to say thank you so much for the incredible trip that we have.
It was wonderful. You guys are awesome. Jesse, Shlomo, Andrea, you guys did a phenomenal job. We had a wonderful time. We got to connect with everybody in Israel and Judaism and all sorts of wonderful stuff. So thank you guys very much. It was great.
Yes, we have a new family right now. So with everybody, we're a big family, and I hope to see you guys again, like everybody soon. Bye, thank you.
Hi Andrea, Shlomo, and Jesse. Thank you guys so much for making this an amazing trip and just bringing us all closer together as a group and as a couple.
Yeah, I just really appreciate you guys. You guys educated us, taught me about Israel, taught me about Judaism, and blessed us with you guys and my team and awesome guys.
Hey, it's Deb.
And Ben.
We wanted to say thank you to Shlomo, Andrea, and Jesse. Ben?
As a Gentile, you guys made me feel very welcome to this lovely country. Can't wait to come back.
And Andrea and Jesse, see you guys again soon.
Andrea, Shlomo, Jesse, we had such a wonderful trip. We just wanted to thank you guys so much. We learned so much, and me as a non-Jew, I just gained a whole new perspective and appreciation for Judaism. And yeah, just thank you.
Thank you so much, Shlomo. We've learned so much. You're a complete wealth of information. It's like kind of insane how much information is in your brain. Andrea, thank you for being our trip mommy. I really appreciated it. And you were a comfort to know I could go to you.
No, I just want to say how much we appreciate all the time and the effort that you've put in making this trip so special for us and meaningful for us, and also just a great foundation for us in getting ready for family and just helping me to understand more about Dale's like background and culture. Yeah, we really appreciate all that you do. Thank you.
We want to thank Jesse, Andrea, and Shlomo for the time, the patience, and for me, mostly the transparency, and also just the knowledge, the wealth of knowledge that came with the trip. I feel like we made some real friends, and it didn't feel like we had tour guides the entire time. It felt like we had friends leading us through the journey.
I copy all that. Shlomo, you were so informative, and yet again, you weren't acting like a tour guide. We had real candid conversations, and I love that. Same thing with Jesse. I've never talked to a rabbi one-on-one before, and that was awesome. And then Andrea, I can't wait to knit with you and do competitive llama shearing or something. So thanks for the amazing time. We're so happy about this trip.
Hey guys, this one is for you, so L'chaim. Thank you for everything. Thank you for organizing both Shlomo, Andrea, and Jesse. Thank you for being there, and taking time away from your families, being knowledgeable and open and accessible. I know you appreciate it as well.
yeah, not having a lot of knowledge about the Jewish community and the religion and how just everything. I really appreciate Jesse and Shlomo in particular just taking the time out to answer all my questions and be awesome and to just be working 24 hours a day and just to be great. So I really appreciate it.
Andrea, Shlomo, Jesse.
Thank you.
We want to say thank you for all of the work you did. Jesse, thank you for sitting with us for our breakfast. We really appreciate your advice and counsel.
Thanks for the 8 a.m. interrogation.
Yes. Andrea, thank you for putting up with us, meaning me, yes. And Shlomo, your education and Torah knowledge is unparalleled, and I am forever in awe and jealous. So well done. Thank you to all of you for this amazing opportunity and trip.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Evan and Sam here.
So we wanted to thank Andrea, Shlomo, and Jesse for making this trip really unforgettable. I think you guys all made the trip what it was, and it wouldn't have been the same without you.
And yes, to echo what Sam said, Shlomo, thank you for everything, providing your perspective, letting us argue with you, and really shed light on everything. Andrea, you couldn't have planned better. Jesse, the most comforting and understanding and accommodating rabbi, non-Jew. So thank you.
I just want to say thank you so much to Jesse, Andrea, and Shlomo. This has been an absolute amazing trip. I know from the beginning when we applied a year ago and did not get selected, we were really bummed. Based on my application, it was horrible. But then Sierra reapplied the second time, and thank you so much for choosing us. It's been an absolute incredible experience. Jesse, you've been nothing but welcoming, approachable.
Answered 500,000 questions from us, so that's a plus.
Yeah.
You're really patient. We love you for that. Andrea, it is so evident the amount of love and passion and planning you put into this trip, and we're just so thankful.
Thank you so much, Shlomo, Jesse,
That's what we
Andrea.
have to say who we are first.
Why?
I don't know. That's what we're supposed to do.
I'm Dorian. This is Joshua.
And
We love you guys.
We love you so much. Thank you for all of the time that you spent with us and helping us get through this crazy week.
Andrea, Rabbi Jesse, and Shlomo, we appreciate everything you've done for us this week. We've had a wonderful experience getting to know this new community and getting to experience all your wisdom and also your patience and your kindness. So thank you so much.
I agree.
Thank you so much.
Hey, it's LaToya and Lee. Just wanted to say thank you so much for an amazing adventure. I will say for myself it was definitely more than I really could have imagined the last 10 days was, just from a religious perspective, a relationship perspective, and just a friendship perspective as well. So thank you so much.
Toda Rabbi, Andrea and Rabbi Jesse. We love you both. We made some
And
great
Shlomo.
friends. And Shlomo. Can't forget. And we know Krav Maga now a little bit.
Andrea, thanks so much for running really one of the best trips we've ever been on. Lauren and I were talking about, we've never been on a big group trip before. We were like, what if we don't like everyone? What if we don't like anyone? What if the person running it makes it horrible? And not only did we love everyone, but the person running it just made it an amazing, amazing trip for us. So thank you so much, and so nice to have you in our lives now.
Yeah, and I was going to say, it's so apparent how much you care about the work that you do, and that's been just great to see. It doesn't feel like this is just a job for you. We're just feel so loved, and we feel like you've put so much care into the trip, so we really appreciate it. And that also goes for Jesse and Shlomo. We feel like you've invested so much time and passion into the work that you're doing, and you're away from your families, and you've taught us so much, and we really appreciate it, and we'll always remember this trip.
This was terrible. Everything about it. The planning, the execution, the itinerary, the missions. It was terrible. I'm out.
It was an amazing, amazing trip.
Thank you for choosing amazing people for us to travel with. The itinerary was incredible. Shlomo, thank you for your storytelling. It was really wonderful. And Andrea and everyone else were really grateful. And thanks. Toda.
It was awesome. Thank you.
Okay, we want to say thank you to Andrea, Shlomo, and Rabbi Jesse. You have done an amazing job at making this trip very easy, comfortable, meaningful, and informative.
It has been an amazing week. It has been thought-provoking. It has been energizing and exhausting and exciting and all around wonderful. Thank you all. We appreciate everything that you guys have done.
Yeah, we can't imagine how much work you must have done in preparing and setting it up and making sure it goes smoothly. So we just have the best time. So from us, thank you.
Thank you.
We just wanted to say again, thank you so much for this trip and for your leadership. It was an amazing trip. We had a great time ourselves, but also getting to know everyone and experiencing Israel for the first time. Thanks to Andrea for coordinating a group of ridiculous adults who didn't always act like it, and Jesse for your leadership, not only with the Shabbat services, but just in our meaningful times and conversations, and Shlomo for your wealth of knowledge. Thanks again for everything.
It's definitely a unique and amazing experience, and we definitely won't ever forget it.
Thank you. Thanks, guys, from the bottom of our hearts. We're not ever going to forget this trip.
I'll just give it to myself.
Best part of your trip so far? What's the best part of your trip so far?
Tonight.
Oh, hey, what's the best part of the trip so far?
Tonight, because my wife's. I can do a different one. Tonight.
Best part of your trip so far?
Drinking with all of you.
Okay. Best part of your trip so far?
Meeting all these new people that are cool.
Awesome. It can be it's one word for you.
Best part of the trip so far?
Talking about whiskey with Chaz 2 days ago? Yes.
Yes.
Best part of the trip?
I hope I'm aiming at you. There's no thing showing up. One word. Let's go. 5, 4.
Hummus.
Yes. Best part of the trip so far?
Obviously, all the people.
Okay. It's been used before, but.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
5, 4.
Don't steal it. Food.
I got hummus already.
Food is more encompassing than hummus. I like everything, not just hummus.
Okay.
Laffa bread. It's better than pita.
Best part of your trip so far? I think I'm still recording.
Best part of the trip. I think you are. Right?
Yeah.
The diversity and just the loving energy.
Aww.
I think that's the best part.
Okay, what about yours? Me taking pictures of your nails? Okay.
Pictures of my nails.
I have like 20 pictures of her nails from the first night.
All of you. I love you guys. The food.
Okay. Best part of the trip? Oh, good answer.
I know how to play to my crowd.
Yes.
Best part of your trip so far? Best part of the trip so far?
Jazz.
And that's the end of my recording.
I heard that Maryland has 10 inches of snow already.
Yeah. I'm glad I'm not there.
Yours is dead too. Oh no.
Get it going, buddy.
Yeah, mazel tov.